here we are at 2501 South Bird in Joplin. This is the little neighborhood. Looks like all the houses on this block are pretty well new. And they get a little older as you go down further down this way, but house is kind of up a hill here. Little front porch. It's got an outlet here out front. Walk into the kitchen and living room. Living room's pretty good size. I couldn't find a light switch for all the lights here. Oh, disposal works. I think that light right there is burnt out, but get a good view of the kitchen here. It's got 2 bedrooms off to the left of the kitchen. They are pretty small, but if they're for children, they'll be okay. Each one's got a little closet. This one's just about identical to that other one over there, except for the closet's on the opposite side of the room. Kind of smells like dog in here, so they definitely had pets. I don't know that they've shampooed. Maybe a little shampooing might help. The living room has a little side door with a doggy door here. Runs out to the backyard. Just a little pathway to the back here. But the doggy door works. Okay, off to the left here is the laundry room and the garage entrance. Your washer and dryer hookups. Little shelf for your supplies. Garage. Just enough to fit one little car in. There's your attic access there. Okay, there's the first bathroom. Granite sinks. Bathtub shower combo. And this is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has its own exit to the backyard. And a master bath. Looks just like the other bathroom, except in reverse. And then it's got this really nice sized walk-in closet. And if you walk out here, it's got a little gazebo. And the backyard. There's no entry to the backyard on the gazebo. You have to go around that air conditioning unit there. And then it's kind of on a hill. It's got quite a little slope to it, so it needs mowed. It's got a little garden bed. It could be made cute. There's something over there in the back. It looks like it might be a dog kennel or something that somebody left behind. It's got flower beds all the way around the yard that you could do something cute with. And I think they were using that for storage, so. But this is 2501 Bird in a nutshell. It does have power right here for whatever you want to put it on and lights, so let me know if you like it.